Okay, I'm going to start first with 1h because it's easier. So when I plug in 5, it says from the right-hand side, you don't need to worry about that plus there. All you know is that you need to plug in 5. So when I plug in 5 for the denominator, I get 0 here. So we need to, again, factor this because there's no radical or fraction. Can't factor the top, but I can factor the bottom to x minus 5, x plus 5. What cancels out here? The x minus 5, so I'm left with 1 on the top. So I got 1 over x plus 5. Now I could plug in my limit value as it's going to 5. So I get 1 over 10, 1/10. Okay, 1g is a lot more work. Again, you get 0 in the denominator. Here are radicals. So let's talk about what is the conjugate of this one. So it's everything is the same except what's joining them. So that's going to be plus in between. Square root of 2x plus the square root of 2. Okay, now we need to multiply the top. So the top times itself is 2 plus x. And then negative root 2 times positive root 2 is negative 2, because the root times itself cancel out. The bottom is going to stay the way it is. Okay, so what happens on the top? The 2's cancel. I'm left with just plain old x. The bottom again is what was there. Now you should notice something that cancels, which are the x's. So I'm left with a 1 on the top. So 1 over square root of 2 plus x plus square root of 2. Now I could plug in my limit as it's going to 0. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so when I plug in 0, I get 1 divided by root 2 plus root 2. A lot of you forgot how to add radicals. This is the same thing as like terms with x's. So x plus x would make it 2 x's. So root 2 plus root 2 is 2 root 2's. And there is my answer for 1g.